Okay, next story. I thought we would do something a little different and maybe do a weather book today. So this is National Geographic Kids Storms. Now this is one of my boys' favorite books. They love learning about science. So this is totally right up their alley. So I thought we'll try this today. Okay, weather. Storms are important. Living things need fresh water from rain and snow. Wind can help clean the air. Did you know that? So next time it's windy, think it's helping to clean out the air a little bit. Weather cools and heats our planet, so it is just right for life. Okay, so different types of weather patterns are important for our ecosystem and for us. So let's learn about it. Clouds are made of drops of water so small they float. These clouds look heavy and gray. Can you hear the wind blow? Imagine it in your head. Can you hear that wind blowing? Leaves wave back and forth on branches. What's happening? Wild, wonderful, stormy weather. So can you see how some of these leaves are starting to blow back and forth? All right, and you can see the gray clouds in the background. Weather words. Weather. What it is like outside. So when we say the word weather, we're talking about what's going on outside of our houses. Thunder and lightning. Flash. Boom. In these storm clouds, so check out the storm clouds behind the words. The drops of water have frozen. So think about the drops of water that are back there. Little ice crystals are bumping wildly against big ice crystals. This makes lightning. Lightning heats the air quickly. This very fast temperature change makes sound waves. The sound is thunder. Isn't that crazy? So crazy. A crystal is, right here it says crystal, a shape that is the same on many sides. Okay, so those crystals rubbing together create the flashes, and then the sound is the big boom. So when those crystals rub together, they make a boom sound. Isn't that crazy? So cool. My kids love this. All right, lightning is electricity. It is hotter than the sun. Did you know that? Lightning is hotter than the sun. Some lightning jumps from cloud to cloud. Some jumps from the ground to the sky. Lightning can make loops and patterns in the sky. It can even roll in a ball. Lightning bolts can travel 60 miles or more. This is ribbon lightning right here. It happens when strong winds push the lightning bolts sideways. Pretty crazy, huh? And then this is a weather word. Electricity, energy that can be natural or man-made. So we can make electricity, but it is also natural. All right, so we've got some fun questions. The question says, what did one lightning bolt say to the other? And then the answer is upside down. Can you read it? It says, you are shocking. So that's what one lightning bolt said to the other. You are shocking. Okay, hailstorms. All right, check out. That's those little balls of ice. Look at this guy right here. It says an unusually big hailstone. All right. Thunk, clunk. Some thunderstorms make hailstones. Hailstones are not stones. They are ice. Ice crystals in some thunderclouds get tumbled in the cloud. They get bigger and bigger until they are so heavy they fall. Hail can be big or small. It can be round or long. Let's see. We didn't miss a. Oh no, we didn't. Okay. Tornado. Let's see. Right here. Strong winds blow. Dark clouds cover the sky. Hail falls. Suddenly it is quiet. In the distance, a cone-shaped funnel cloud touches the ground. Tornado, twister, cyclone. These are all names for a fierce, fast-twisting wind. Over water, tornadoes are called waterspouts. So they have tornadoes over the water. Crazy. Okay, the weather words: funnel, a cone shape wider at the top. Okay, it's kind of a joke, really. It says, question, what is a tornado's favorite game? Answer, Twister. Okay, sandstorm. All right, so check out that picture. A wall of wind picks up sand. As the wind crosses the land, it picks up more sand. The wall grows higher. When it roars past, it can knock down fences. In Australia, they call the storms willy willies. In Sudan, they call them hababs. Crazy. Blizzard. Snowflakes fall from very cold clouds. A cold wind blows the snow so hard you cannot see in front of you. Snowflakes are ice crystals. In a blizzard, there are billions and trillions of snowflakes. Crazy. So if we wrote out the number 1 trillion, that's what it would look like. Look how many zeros that has. Crazy. All right, monsoon. Monsoons are winds that change each season. India has only 2 seasons. Winter monsoons are dry. Summer monsoons bring lots of rain. Everyone cheers because the rain helps food grow. Look at how much rain that is, though. That monsoon is causing some flooding because the bike is mostly covered with water, all the way up to the top of the wheel practically. Question: how is rain saved? Answer: in cloud banks. Hurricane. It is late summer. Dark clouds form over the ocean. Strong winds pull ocean water up into spinning clouds. Hurricanes. Cyclone. Typhoon. Hurricane winds knock down houses. Water floods streets and homes. Hurricane winds spin in a circle. The middle of a hurricane is still and calm. It is called the eye of the storm. How do hurricanes see? With one eye. Out of this world. Where are the worst storms? Not on Earth. Jupiter's hurricane has been blowing for more than 400 years. In 2006, a lightning storm on Saturn lasted for weeks. The lightning bolts were more than 1,000 times stronger than Earth's. Neptune had winds that blew 900 miles an hour. Oh goodness. So if you look right here, you can see Jupiter's hurricane is called the Great Red Spot. And it's been going for 400 years. Guess. Storms are made of many small parts. Together with wind, these tiny bits are strong. Guess what each tiny bit is. All right, so A, what do you think A is? What are those? What do you think B is? C is the green section. And D, the bottom. What do you think D is? All right, well, if you look up here, A is sand grains, so that's sand blown up really big. B is snowflake crystals. C is raindrops. And D is hail pellets. You can see the hail pellets right there. House for a storm. This house is on stilts. After a monsoon, water and mud flow under the house. So they built their house up on stilts. That's kind of cool. All right, in a sandstorm, this tent keeps sand out. An underground storm cellar keeps people safe during a tornado. So they have different ways of coping with these different types of weather. Okay, wild animals, wild weather. In blizzard winds, these muskoxen huddle together. They face the wind so their bodies stay warm. Let's see here. In a hubbub, camels shut a second pair of eyelids to protect their eyes from sand. Their long, thin nostrils and extra hairy ears keep sand out. In monsoon rains, some monkeys keep dry in buildings or under branches. Other monkeys don't mind getting wet. Okay, so weather. What is it? Weather. What it's like outside. So these are just the little vocabulary pieces. Crystal, a shape that is the same on many sides. Electricity, energy that can be natural or man-made. And funnel, a cone shape wider at the top. Okay, then there's a little note. It says, Dear reader, did you read this whole book? Dance up a storm to celebrate. Whoosh! You are wind with your arms spread wide. So pretend like you're wind. Spread your arms out wide. Spin into a tornado. So spin into a tornado. Clap your hands. Click your tongue. You are hail. Pound your feet. Clap, click, clap. You're a thunderstorm. Now hush your feet. Tap your fingers softly. You are light rain. Finally, quiet. The storm has passed. Reach your arms up. Bend. You are a rainbow. So you could do that little activity. Okay. All right. So let's talk about our journal right that goes with this story. My favorite kind of weather is blank because blank. So tell me what your favorite weather is and draw a picture of it. Have a great day.